Welcome to Matters Financial and Geopolitical from a Frontier. Thank you as always for stopping by. I hope the week has gone well. International markets, the stalwart tweeted, Bitcoin is a religion. An altruistic prophet, Satoshi never sold one coin, early disciples, schisms, promises of salvation and freedom, sacred texts, the white paper, early Bitcoin talk archives, diet, carnivory, evangelism, sayings and incantations. That took me back to something I wrote in November 2017 when I said, wow, what a ride. And I was describing a tenfold increase in the price of Bitcoin. It subsequently went 20-fold higher before turning lower. And I quoted Hunter S. Thompson, life should not be a journey to the grave with the intention of arriving safely in a pretty and well-preserved body, but rather to skid in broadside in a cloud of smoke, thoroughly used up, totally worn out, and loudly proclaiming, wow, what a ride. Currency markets, they've been pretty volatile. The euro is at 112.13. Dollar index 97.31, Japanese yen 110.73, Swiss franc 0.9960, kind of hanging in there, and that's because they're paying a positive interest rate on 10-year Swiss bonds, unlike the Germans. The pound now, that's lost ground, 130.26 now. 130 is a key level. Let's see if we can hold in there. Australian dollar 0.7079, India rupee 69.16, South Korean won 1134.92, Brazilian real 390, Egyptian pound 17.33, the South African rand 14.57. This is a chart from Chi Girl, dollar index making a run to that formidable resistance again. Will it break? We're about to find out, and when it breaks, it's going to go like a rocket ship all the way to Mars, as Freddie once sang. Is the euro making look-alike bearish patterns, Kimball charting? Part of the reason I've been so bearish on the euro is exactly because of this point that Kimball charting is making. I remember that like it was yesterday. We hung around in this 110, 115 range, and then suddenly, bosh, we were down 106 and lower. So I'm seeing a replay of that in a sort of redux situation. Commodity markets, gold, admittedly this chart was taken yesterday when we were above 1300 at 1305, but essentially we're now at 1291.70. I told you, everybody I met was so bullish, and when that's the situation, there's only one way for the market to go typically, but it takes some time to play out. Play out it is right now. Crude oil, $59.85. We keep coming up to 60. I would advise a small sell at 60. You can sell some further up, but really it's 60 and 62.50 where you need to be selling. Palladium, which was an awesome bubble, has burst in metals, biggest drop since 2010. Fell for a third day, heading for the biggest drop in almost 9 years. Dubai economic growth stalls at lowest level since financial crisis. This is an article by Zero Hedge. Have a look.